Hi all, welcome back to a new video for Horilla. So in this video, we'll be discussing about the different user levels in onboarding. So let's see how we can check that. So for that, let's log in as an employee first. So here, this is the employee Caleb Fisher. So this is the Caleb Fisher's account. So here we can see different modules that can be viewed by Caleb Fisher. That is the dashboard, the employee attendance, leave, payroll, performance, assets, help, and help desk. So here we can see that the Caleb Fisher is not able to view the modules like recruitment and onboarding. So let's see how Caleb Fisher can manage that also. So let's go back to the admin view. So this is the admin view, and here we have the recruitment, and under the recruitment we have different recruitments that are currently going on in the company. That is a recruitment drive and the future for the recruitment. So let's set Caleb Fisher as a manager for any of these recruitment. So let's say here for the recruitment drive, we have the managers Abigail Roberts and Adam Louis. So let's add Caleb Fisher as the manager for this recruitment. And let's save this. So we can see that Caleb Fisher has been assigned as a manager for recruitment drive. So let's now when we log in as the Caleb Fisher, we'll be able to see that Caleb Fisher will be able to access the recruitment module also. So here we can see that the recruitment module has been added, and he can view the dashboard, the recruitment pipeline, the recruitment survey, and the skill zone. So in the recruitment pipeline, he can view the different stages of that recruitment, and he'll be able to manage these employees, and he can set the stages for different employees as he can change the stages of the employee as he has been set as the manager for this recruitment. And now when we have set an employee as a recruitment manager, he'll be automatically set as the onboarding manager also. So now let's go to the in the admin view, let's go to the onboarding, and we can go to the onboarding view. And we can see that the different onboarding stages for the recruitment drive. So these are the different onboarding stages, and let's set Caleb Fisher as a manager for this pre-boarding onboarding stage. So let's edit it, and here we can see that Adam Louis is already a stage manager, and now we can add Caleb Fisher as well. We can save it. So Caleb Fisher has been added as the stage manager. So now when we go to Caleb Fisher, we can see that the onboarding module has been added, and he'll be able to view the onboarding view. So in the onboarding view, he'll be able to access the different stages of that onboarding, and he can change the stages of the candidates to different onboarding stages, etc. So we can edit the employee permission from the settings as well. So for that, we have to go to the admin view and go to the settings here. And in the settings, we have the employee permission. And in the employee permission, we can assign permissions to different employees. So we can select an employee and add different permissions. So let's say for recruitment, we have several actions under recruitment like survey template, skill, recruitment stage. And for each actions we can perform like can create, can view, can edit, and can delete. So these are the different actions that we can perform for each actions over here. And if you want to enable only viewing, we can just toggle on this toggle for viewing. And if you want to enable the if you want to give the edit permission as well, we can toggle on this toggle. Like that we can perform we can give the permissions. And if you want to give permissions for every actions here, we can just select all, and all the permissions will be given to that employee. So these are the different user levels for onboarding. Hope it's clear. Thank you for watching.